Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm going to be doing an after shower routine. So the first thing I do after I finish up my shower is of course grab a towel to dry off, and then I head up to my room to do all of my beauty and skincare. The first thing I do when I sit at my makeup vanity is I grab my mirror and I work on my hair first. So I'm using the Nexus Scalp Energy Leave-In Treatment. If you have dandruff or just a dry scalp in general, this product will literally transform your hair. I have noticed such a difference. You just section your hair and you evenly spray, rub it in, massage into your scalp, and your scalp will feel so hydrated, and my overall hair feels like softer and just nourished when I use this product. These next products I switched between. So for today I'm using the coconut milk anti-breakage serum. The other one's just like a coconut penetrating oil, all by the brand OGX. I also want to take this time to mention that I also switched up my hair care products that I use in the shower with my shampoo and conditioner. I've been using these two by OGX, again by that same coconut oil line, and I have been loving it. In my self-care shopping vlog, which was my first video of 2021, I mentioned that I was using L'Oreal products, and they were starting to work for me when I filmed that video, which was like around Black Friday, but in the long run, I have just noticed my hair being super dry and brittle, and ever since I used these products from the first use, I've just noticed such a difference. Since these products are fairly new to me as well and have been working in the beginning, like the other one did, I hope these products actually end up working out for me in the long run as well, not just in the beginning. But I'm now just brushing out my hair with my wet brush. So once I apply all the products I need to and comb out my hair, I put it up in a hair drying towel while I do the rest of my skincare. I do use a Too Faced mascara melt off mascara in the shower as well as just washing my face, but I also like to use this micellar cleansing water that I got from either TJ Maxx or Marshalls. It works great just to get off any excess mascara or some stubborn eyelash glue that may be on my eyes. I'm also taking that on some facial cotton for my skin. I don't really wear face makeup a lot, but I just want to clean overall, and this water, I forgot to mention, is also really comparable to the Garnier. It's really great for dry and sensitive skin. I'm then going to move on to shaping up my eyebrows, and I actually do this with one of those like eyebrow razors. I don't like to use tweezers. I feel like this gets all the hair. It's painless and it gives you like a really clean after look. My eyebrows aren't really bad right now because I do this really often. The razor that I'm using is from AOA Studio, so it was only $1 and I've been using it for a couple weeks. These are usually disposable, but I find that it works fine. It hasn't really dulled out or anything. When I reorganized my makeup collection, I actually made this whole big drawer in the front just for my after shower stuff. So I then used this Flawless facial razor, again painless. I love it, great for removing any facial hair. I don't really do my face like any peach fuzz or anything, I just do around my upper lip. As far as actual skincare, I use this illuminating facial serum. It's the 24 karat gold by Pearl Essence. I got this from Marshalls and I've been using this ever since I bought it like weeks ago. I love it so much. The only thing it really does for your skin is give it like a really natural dewy look. I then take a jade roller and I rub that under my chin in hopes of getting a more defined jawline. Sis got a double chin. I don't really think anything's going to help that, but it just feels really nice and cooling. Even on the face, I take that under my cheekbones as well. I don't do this every time I get out of the shower, maybe like once a week. Moving on, I then clean my ears. I know I'm going to get that one stupid comment that says that you're not supposed to use Q-tips, but like what the heck else am I supposed to use? And you're lying if you said that you've never put some Q-tips in your ears to clean them, okay? Unless you're dirty. I'm also just taking my Vitafusion hair, skin, and nail vitamins. This isn't like an after the shower only type of thing. I usually take these in the morning when I wake up or before I go to bed. Like it depends, but I just didn't take them at all today, so I'm taking them now. So that's all for the skincare and hair portion of what I do after I get out of the shower. I'm now going to get dressed and show you guys what I do after that. So I have this electric portable razor that I got from Marshall's. It's the brand Kenzie, and I actually use this on my underarms. This is a must for when I get out of the shower because I have never shaved under my arms with like a razor and some shaving cream. I don't know if that whole your hair will grow back darker if you shave it myth is true or not, but I've just never tried it. This is like the only thing that I've ever used. And as you can see, my underarms are super light. Also, my hair grows back like so slow whenever I use this. So if you don't use one of these for your underarms, I totally recommend switching. Then I put on my deodorant. I use the Dove Advanced Care Invisible 48 Hour Wear. And this has like no white marks on up to 100 colors, which is great. When I'm all finished at my vanity, I then take off my hair towel, and I know these aren't the best for your hair, so I only like to have it on to dry the excess moisture, and then I just let the rest air dry. Going through my hair again, this time with a comb, and that is basically it. Depending on what time I take my shower that day, if it's in the morning, I'll get ready and put some makeup on after this, or if I'm not really doing anything that day, it depends what my makeup look is. Or if I'm taking one at night, then I'll get ready for bed with some serums and stuff, so that's what I'm going to be showing you guys today. So I have these two products that I like to apply on my lashes before bed, or if I'm just doing a natural day. So the first one is this L'Oreal Lash Serum Solution to help grow your lashes. This product has like a brush tip applicator to help apply to the lash line, but I then want to comb through my lashes, so I use this Pro Growth Lash Serum by Skin Passion. The last step in my routine is to exfoliate my lips. I'm using the Milani Keep It Smooth Luxe Lip Treatment, which is just like a sugar lip scrub, and I'm using that with a exfoliating lip brush that I got from Marshall's as well. I literally buy my whole life from there, but I'm gonna wipe that off when I'm done and then apply this Blistex lip serum. And that was it for my after shower routine. If you guys liked it, make sure to give it a thumbs up, and also comment down below a product that is essential in your routine. Subscribe to my channel and don't forget to turn on all your post notifications so you get a notification in your Dropbox every time I upload a video. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I love you all so much, and bye guys.